Ryan and Chris earned exactly the same salary. But their choices were completely different. When Chris gets paid, he immediately blows it all on the latest tech, flashy kicks, and expensive lates. But Ryan knows true wealth: spend smarter, live better, live better. Moves, watching his savings grow, while Chris is wondering where it all went. From empty wallets to financial freedom, it's never too late to start. Start small, dream big, and master your money. You only live once! 6 months pass by, and the difference is massive. Ryan's smart investments are growing every day. Poor Chris is just drowning in credit card bills. Soft colors, hard lessons. Start small, but start today. While Ryan was investing his time, Chris was just consuming. One was building up his future, the other was scrolling it away. Every evening is a chance to grow. Ryan uploaded videos every single day. But only a handful of people were watching. And Chris couldn't help but laugh at his failure. Months of hard work finally paid off. Ryan finally reached monetization. That first paycheck is a beautiful sight. This is just the beginning. While Ryan reinvests his profits, Chris upgrades to the Ultra Phone Max. Oof, right in the wallet. Consistent growth always wins. Ryan's investments were growing, and his channel took off. The green income streams were doubling. That is how you build true wealth. Start making smart moves today. But then, an unexpected emergency hits. Chris has absolutely no savings, but Ryan is perfectly calm. He uses his emergency fund. Soft colors, clean outlines, and smart planning save the day. When expenses pile up and you feel stressed, remember that consistency is key. Stay relaxed, stick to your plan, and watch your savings grow. Assets that put money in his pocket. But Chris buys liabilities that drain his account. One builds wealth while the other just builds bills. Oh no, not another maxed out. Start making smarter financial choices today. Wow, look at that green line fly. Consistent saving really does pay off, Chris. While one goes up, the other falls. It is never too late to start. How are you always ahead? I didn't earn more. I made better decisions. I made better decisions. So Chris decided to make a change. Every dollar counts when you're building a future. And soon, those small coins start to add up. He's finally on the right track. Invest your money to make it grow. Then create content to double it. To double it. That is true financial freedom. Chris finally launched his channel. He clicked that big shiny button, and look at that, his very first subscriber. The path to success was starting. From zero to hero, just watch him go. Months later, and would you look at that? Both channels are absolutely exploding. Consistency really does pay off. Here is to making smart moves and celebrating the wins together. Hard work really does pay off. See, Chris? Our money is working for us automatically. Woo! Every dollar and coin is multiplying. This is how you build a future. They both did it! They actually did it! Ryan's smart moves and Chris's big lessons finally paid off. True financial freedom is yours when you plan.
Your future isn't decided by your paycheck. It's decided by your daily choices. Follow Digital Dollar Hub for more inspiring money stories.